the Python script in VS Code. Then we move on to the CMD, like the command prompt. Then in the command prompt we do cocon build, so that we make effective of all the changes that we have made. Then we do source the page, so that we source the environment that we're working in. Then we build we launch the empty world in Gazebo. Yeah, so here is our this is our GUI. So let's make it small so that we can see the movement that's going to happen. Then here we want to call our functions from the Python scripts that we have written. So first of all, we need to source the environment that we're working in. Then we want to see with constant acceleration what happens with constant velocity. Constant velocity. So with constant velocity, this is how it works. It's just moving all the distance using the constant velocity until it stops at 10 meters. Then after stopping, these are the graphs which are showing us like this is how the distance against time, showing that there is constant velocity. So now we want to do the same thing for where there is acceleration. Then after acceleration, the object moves with constant velocity until it stops. Close this. Let's launch it again. Let's do for acceleration, then constant velocity. I already hit the lines with acceleration here. Acceleration. So it accelerates, then it starts to move with constant velocity. So here it starts to move with constant velocity, which shows us that there was acceleration at the beginning, but then the graph is now straight, showing that it's moving at constant velocity. And we can do the same for where there is acceleration, then constant velocity, then deceleration. This is the last case. three scenarios.